Hi everyone, Ryan here. Today in 41 here, I've got this yew, English yew, Taxus Baccata in 41 here. It's got a weird old root system on this tree. It's all pretty much one-sided as well. So the initial design will be a one-sided tree with deadwood down this side, as this is the best front with the roots in here, which I'll bring you in and show you the root system before we get on and start creating all the deadwood on this right hand side. But we'll get into the video. Like I said, I'll bring you in, give you a look before we start moving on. We will be creating the deadwood, wiring and basic branch placement on this side, on this tree for today. Let's get cracking. So this is the front I've chosen because of the root spread here. You come round, it's got a load of roots there, but they just look flat. They're not coming out, which we could try correct on the next ray pot next spring, but then it just starts to go ugly at the back. So this is the new front. So the first steps, get rid of all the stuff we don't want, deadwood on this side, then we'll start creating our tree in here. So I'll just bring the camera out, record us doing this with some music for you. that draws us to the end of this video on this English yew. I think it's turned out quite okay. Got a lot of growth, as every bonsai does when you first style it. It was always a one-sided tray when we had a look at it from the beginning, because there was just one branch up here which couldn't go nowhere really. So that's why I deadwooded to one side. I've cleaned up the roots a little bit, which we can correct properly in the right pot in the spring. There's a big lump here at the back where it's dead, so that could come off and we'll get a better flowing tray. But we'll have a proper look at that in the right pot. So that's it for this video. If you've been around from the beginning, thanks for watching. And if you haven't, please subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!